Now we see viewing different sections of a solid. One way to view an object is by cutting or slicing them. Here is a loaf of bread. It is like a cuboid with a square face. You slice it with a knife. Okay. So when you give a vertical cut, you get several pieces as shown in the figure. Each face of the piece is a square. We call this face a cross section of the whole bread, and the cross section is nearly a square in this case. Beware, if your cut is not vertical, you may get a different cross section. Think about it. The boundary of the cross section you obtain is a plane curve. Do you notice it? This one. When you cut it like vertical, you are getting each shape as a square. What about if you cut it as a horizontal? Then you will get the each shape as a rectangle. Okay. So cross section also just define the view of the given objects. Next we have kitchen plate. Have you noticed cross section of some vegetables when they are cut off? The purposes of cooking in the kitchen. Observe the various slices and get aware of the shapes that result as cross section. If you are taking a tomato and if you just chop it, so you are getting the circle way. Each slice you are getting in the form of circle. Same way if you take onion, if you have observed how the potato chips made in the shape of circle. Okay, so these are the cross section. It depends on in which direction you are cutting the particular vegetables. Okay. Next, make clay models of the following solids and make vertical or horizontal cuts. Draw rough sketch of the cross section you obtain. Suppose you have this cuboid, then if you cut it from this horizontal way and from the vertical way, then what kind of cross section you are getting, that you have to observe. If you have this cylinder, then if you cut like this, you are getting what kind of shapes, that you have to list it out. And if you are cutting like this, so you are getting circle. This way you are getting all shape. This is a triangle. If you are cutting from this middle and from like this, so what kind of shapes you are getting? For this you are getting circle. For this, what kind of shapes you are getting? That is triangle. When you cut it in the vertical way. If you cut it like this in horizontal way, you are getting circle. So this how you can observe, how you can cut the given objects, whether it's a vertical or whether it's a horizontal. You according to that you will get these shapes. See exercise 15.3. What cross sections do you get when you give a vertical cut and horizontal cut for the following? Suppose you have a brick. If you cut it like in a vertical, then you are getting the square, and if you cut it like horizontal, then you are getting rectangle shapes. A round apple, so you are getting circle whether you are cutting in horizontal way or whether you are cutting in the vertical way. A dais, you are getting square. A circular pipe, you are getting circle. An ice cream cone, you are getting triangle when you cut it in the vertical way. When you cut it in the horizontal way, you are getting circle. Just try it out by yourself. Now another way is by shadow play. Suppose you have this cone, and if you get the shadow of it, the shape of shadow is in triangle way. The shadows are a good way to illustrate how three-dimensional objects can be viewed in two-dimensional. Have you seen a shadow play? It is a form of entertainment using solid articulated figures in front of an illuminated backdrop to create the illusion of moving images. It makes some indirect use of ideas in mathematics. You will need a source of light and a few solid shapes. Okay. If you see, this is a cone, but in two-dimensional it looks like a triangle. Suppose you are keeping here cylinder, so what you are getting over here? Oval shape. If you are keeping over here sphere, so what you are getting here? Circle. If you are keeping here cube, you are getting square. If you are keeping cuboid, you are getting rectangle. Okay. So image of or shadow of any three-dimensional object is in the form of two-dimensional. Okay. So suppose you have a shadow of this cup, you can observe it. Here is another funny experiment that you might have tried already. Place a circular plate in the open when the sun at the noon time is just right above it as shown in the figure. What is the shadow that you obtain? Various kind of shadows you are getting over here for noons and for evenings. For noons you are getting the shadow little bit slanting and it's moving away. Here also you are getting the shadow slanting, but the direction of the shadow will be different. Okay. So this is all about the shadow of the given objects. Then we discuss 15.4. Here you are given the lights, and according to that what is the shadow you are getting for each object, that you have to find out. Here you have circle, square, triangle and rectangle when seen under the lamp of a so for this you have to draw 3D solids. For square it is cube, for triangle it is cone, for rectangle it is cuboid, and for circle it is a sphere. That you have now get the better idea of that. Next we have examine if the following are true statements. The cube can cast a shadow in the shape of a rectangle. No, it is always in the shape of square. The cube can cast a shadow in the shape of hexagon. No, because hexagon has how many line segments? 6 line segments, but in cube we have only 4 line segments. Next we have top view, front view and side view. It depends according to the angles, through which angles you are observing. Suppose this is the house and this person, it's not a person, it's a monkey, it's observing front view, so it looks like this. Side view, the side view of the house, and top view of the house. So according to that you have drawn this diagram. Okay, building, this is the building, front view, so you are observing only this part. Side view, so you are observing this and this part, and top view, so you are observing these two parts, both the parts. According to that you can see the view. For this also you can see the view. So this will get you the idea how you can observe the object and what kind of view you are getting. Okay, according to that some examples are given to you. Try this, that you can do by yourself. Answer key I will share. Okay, thank you.